I've been treating snoring for 23 years approximately, and I've used several different methods, and I find that the pillar procedure is the best. As far as the efficacy, it is similar, if not better, than all methods that have been used before to directly treat snoring, such as snoroplasty, laser-assisted uvular palatoplasty, and the somnoplasty, which was radiofrequency reduction or tightening of the palate. Procedures in the past, the limitations, not only pain, but also they work, but only for a limited amount of time. 40 to 50% of the patients seem to have recurrence of their snoring after treatment. And when they went through that much discomfort, they were more dissatisfied with the results given that. And with the pillar procedure, they leave comfortable, there's minimal bleeding, they have just a mild sore throat overnight, and the results are really the same, if not better, in that the long-term success is greater with the implants. They don't dissolve, they're there. Can't say forever that not anyone returns with their snoring, but the recurrence rate with the pillar is far, far less. And it does not limit other treatments as well. We can add on to the pillar, so that's the base procedure that I use. In my practice, the pillar is just a great addition to how I treat snoring. Again, it's where I start and hopefully finish with the patient treating them. And we talk about that. It's very important to set your patient's expectations, because I have not found one procedure that resolves snoring 100%. It happens, but that's rare. 30% get total resolution of snoring with any one treatment. If we use multiple treatments, then it's possible, such as reducing turbinates, opening up the nasal passageway along with the pillar.